How to create GoFundMe account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Help. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create GoFundMe account. GoFundMe is a popular crowdfunding platform that allows individuals and organizations to raise money for various causes. Now if you want to create an account on GoFundMe, first of all you will need to open any web browser on your device. And once you have opened it, in the search bar you need to type gofundme.com. This is the official website of GoFundMe. Once you press the enter button now, you will be taken to the official website of GoFundMe. Here first of all you need to click on this sign in option at the top right just next to this about. To click on it, you will be redirected to sign in page. Here you need to look for the sign up option. You can find this option at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on this sign up and now you can start creating an account on it. Here you will need to enter some of your account details such as your first name, your last name, and your email address. After entering your email address, in the second box you need to re-enter your email address for the confirmation. And after that, scroll down. There you will see the password box. Here you will need to enter a strong and unique password for your GoFundMe account. Also make sure you meet all the criteria or the requirement presented at the bottom. If you meet all these requirements, then you can ensure that you have created a strong password. After doing that, if you want to receive tips to help you make the most of your fundraiser and updates about the important events and causes, you will need to click on this box to receive them. And you may also unsubscribe it anytime. Now after doing it, you need to click on that sign up button at the very bottom. Once you click on the sign up, you will be redirected to this page where you will need to solve this puzzle. And after successful verification, you will be redirected to a new page. Here you will need to enter your phone number. Once you have entered your phone number at the bottom, you will see how should we send the verification code. If you want to receive your verification code via text message, you need to select this text message option. And if you want to receive your verification via voice call, then you need to select the second one. Now after doing it, you need to click on the send code button at the right bottom below and then a verification code will be sent. You will be prompted to enter that verification code in the expected field and from there you can create an account on GoFundMe. And once you have created an account on it, you can create your campaign, set up withdrawal information, manage and share your campaign. So by following these steps, you should be able to create an account on GoFundMe. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.